Today, we're exploring a powerful feature inside Google Ads that every marketer should know, the Change History tool. If you want to understand how updates to your campaigns affect performance, this tool makes it easy to track what changed, when it changed, and who changed it. Let's walk through it step by step so you can start using it confidently. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the Google Ads website. In the top right corner, click the Sign In button. Enter your Google account details to log in. If you don't have a Google Ads account yet, you'll need to create one before accessing these tools. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads home screen, which serves as the central dashboard for managing all your campaigns. Take a moment to look around if you're new to the interface. You'll see key areas like campaigns, ad groups, ads, keywords, and reporting tools. Everything you'll need for monitoring and optimizing your advertising efforts is available from this dashboard. To access the Change History tool, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll until you see the Report section. Click it, and within the dropdown, select Change History. This is where Google logs every adjustment made to your account, whether big or small. Once inside, you'll see a chronological list of your past updates. Each entry includes the date, time, type of change, and who made it. It might include edits to campaigns, budget adjustments, new ads, paused ad groups, or changes to targeting criteria. This detailed timeline helps you understand how your actions align with shifts in performance. If you're analyzing results, the Change History tool becomes especially valuable. For example, if clicks suddenly increased or your cost per conversion changed unexpectedly, reviewing recent updates can help you pinpoint what caused the fluctuation. By connecting performance metrics with specific changes, you'll strengthen your ability to make informed decisions. At the top of the page, you'll find filter options. You can filter by date range or by specific types of actions, such as budget updates or keyword changes. These filters help you narrow down the exact information you need. Making your review process faster and more accurate using this tool regularly should become part of your routine. It saves time, provides clarity, and ensures you always understand how your campaign adjustments influence results. Most importantly, it helps you refine your strategy and improve your return on investment. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you master the Google Ads Change History tool with confidence. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials.